Good morning, everyone. This is Esther with Esther Buys Houses. Just here eating some cookies. Anyway, so just giving you a quick update. I had a great meeting with someone that wanted to sell their house the other day, and it was great. I love, or my mission, I guess you could say, is I love to help people as much as I can, make it a win-win situation, but help them out in the situation or the stress that comes along with selling your house. The good thing is that I'm not a realtor, so there's no commissions that you have to be paying me. Basically, almost what we agree on is what is net to you. So I do cover all the closing costs, so that is several $1,000s if you can ask anybody around. And I do cover those expenses. There are times where I've spoken to people where I'll take over payments, depending on the situation, and get them out of so their credit is not ruined, basically. So I'm here to help you out any way that I can. Give me a call or text me. My number is 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. Or you can call my office, which is 915-800-0199. All right, guys, I look forward to talking to you. You have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.